Business owners, listen up. If you use Cleo's file transfer software, this is crucial for you. Cybersecurity experts have uncovered major flaws in Cleo's Harmony, VLTrader, and LexiCom software. These vulnerabilities allow attackers to drop malicious files and execute commands on your systems. It's like leaving your front door wide open for hackers. The culprits? Two critical vulnerabilities: CVE 2024-50623 and CVE 2024-55956. These bad boys let attackers run wild with remote code execution and unauthorized file writes. Scary, right? But don't panic. Impress IT Solutions in Houston is here to help. Step 1. Apply those security patches ASAP. Update to Cleo Harmony VLTrader or LexiCom version 5.8.0.24. Next, conduct regular security audits to catch misconfigurations and legacy system issues. Implement advanced threat detection to stay one step ahead, and train your team to spot phishing and social engineering scams. Protect your business with Impress IT Solutions. We're experts in keeping cyber threats at bay. Contact us today and fortify your defenses.